Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS01 isn't heating up, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning heating element or a fault in the internal wiring. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complex and costly. To get started with this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement heating element specifically for the Dyson HS01. First, ensure the device is unplugged for safety before opening it. Begin by locating the screws on the back panel of your Dyson HS01. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them safe for reassembly. Gently pry open the back panel with a flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the panel is off, you should see the internal components clearly. The faulty heating element is usually situated near the front of the device. Check for any visible signs of damage or disconnection. To extract the heating element, gently disconnect any wires attached to it, noting their positions for later reconnect ion. Be cautious and use the tweezers if necessary to avoid damaging any nearby components. When removing the heating element, you may encounter screws securing it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these, applying a steady yet gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. With the old heating element removed, take your new replacement and position it correctly in the slot. Reattach any screws you removed earlier, and reconnect the wires, ensuring they are firmly in place. It's essential to double-check that everything is connected securely before closing the device. Once everything is back in place, carefully snap the back panel onto the device and replace the screws securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, plug your Dyson HS01 back in and test it. If it heats up, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the device to avoid dust buildup and check the wiring periodically for any signs of wear or damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.